YouTube channel Ready to Learn Pro.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to create class account where we demonstrate class accounts capabilities, and in class account test we uses an object class account. And before we are going to create class account, first we are going to understand what is instance variables. So build an object of a class before a program can perform the task. An object is then referred to as an instance of its class. For our better understanding, just as someone has to build a bike from its engineering drawings, before you can actually drive a bike, you must build an object of class before a program can perform the task that the class methods define. The process of doing this is called instantiation. An object is then referred to as an instance of its class. And where we define instance variable? In our class, we define our instance variable here. Inside class, first of all, at the top, we are going to define instance variable. Guys, if you don't know how to create a class in Eclipse IDE, so please visit our previous lecture, or you can also see in description I give the link of my video. So guys, we are going to create account class here. First of all, we are going to create instance variable, that is instance variable private string name. Guys, instance variables exist before methods, and why we are going to write here private? Because if the instance variable were public, any client of the class, that is any other class that calls the class method, could see the data and do whatever it wanted with it, including setting it to an invalid value. So that's why we are going to create instance variable as private. Now we are going to create set method to set the name. So we write public void set name string string name, then curly braces. Inside this we are going to write we are going to store the name using this dot name equals to name. So this return type void indicates that set name will perform a task that not return any information to its caller. Then method set name receives parameter name of type string, which represent the name of that will be passed to the method as an argument. And parameter are local parameter are locals, which can be used only in that method. And setName method body contain, what is the body? And this body, that is in curly braces, what we are going to write is nothing but body of our method. So setName method body contains a single statement that assigns the value of the name parameter, a string, to the class name instance variable. Then here local variable is set to shadow the instance variable in the method body. Now we are going to create get method to retrieve the name from the object So for that we are going to write public string get name method. Now in curly braces we are going to create body. So in this we are going to return value of name color. So for that we are going to write return name. So guys, here method has an empty parameter list, so it does not require additional information to perform task, and the method returns a string. When a method that specify a return type other than void called and completes its task, it must return a result to its column. Now I am going to create a account to test the driver class. For example, a person drives a bike by telling it what to do: go faster, go slower, turn left, turn right, and many more, without having to know how the bike internal mechanisms work. Similarly, a method such as main drives an account object by calling its methods without having to know how the class internal mechanisms work. In this sense, the class containing method main is referred to as a driver class. For that, we are going to create a driver class account test. We are going to right click on SRS in Java 2 project, then click on new, then click on class. Then that screen will be pop up. Here we are going to write account test class name and right click on public static void main and then click on finish. Then that screen will come. In here we are going to write our source code. So first of all we are going to create a scanner object to obtain input from the command window. For that we are going to write scanner input new scanner system dot in and semicolon. For that, first of all, we are going to import scanner class. Scanner class semicolon. Now we are going to create an account object and assign it to my account. For that, we are going to account my account equals to new account and semicolon. Then promote for read name. For that, we are going to write sys out control plus space and write please enter the name and then we are going to read a line of text. For that we are going to write the string the name equals to input dot next line and put the name in my account. For that we are going to write my account dot set name, and here name is the name, and we are going to print a blank line, then just display the name stored in the object my account. For that we are going to write system.out.printf, and in double quotes, name in object my account is percent n, percent s, percent n, comma, my account dot get name, and the semicolon. Now we are going to run that program. Just click here. Our program is successfully run. Now just write here, please enter the name. We are going to write happy, then press enter. Name in object my account is happy. So guys, what we are going to do by using instance variable private and by set name and get name. So guys, declaring instance variables with access modifier private is known as information hiding. By declaring our instance variable as private, we are going to hide our data. Why here we are going to use set name, set method? Because set methods can be programmed to validate their arguments and reject any attempts to set the data to bad values, such as negative body temperature, a product code not in the company's product catalog. So if you are unauthorized person, then you are unable to access our data. And what is get method is going to do? A get method can present the data in a different form and tightly controlling the access to and presentation of private data. And here get name and set name is the interface for the outside person to get name. So thank you guys. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.